Welcome to WordPress. How to locate media file attachments in WordPress. How can you verify if an image is being used in WordPress or not? If you can see an image at front end, you can locate it in media library. For example, from front end, you can inspect an image. Right click, inspect, and see its name. Organic Products Hero. You can also save this image to find out its name. Then you can search for this image in the media library. In search, type the image name, and here is the image. That is fine. However, to locate the image attachment page in WordPress and determine if an image is actually being used by a page, follow this method. From the media library, click on the image. Let's take this image again. Find the text uploaded to. In the image details, in this case it says home. That means this image is being used on the home page. Clicking on this link will lead us to the home page and open it in editing mode. This page was built with Elementor, so we will edit it using Elementor, and here is the image that we were looking for. If you don't want to edit the page and just want to view the image, you can click at View Attachment Page. It will show you the image, or depending on your theme settings, it can also open up a separate page, attachment page, where this image will be linked. If you are using WooCommerce and want to find the page for a product, click on the product image. You will see similar text uploaded to. In this case, it mentions this page. Let's edit this page. And here is that product image that we were looking for. So clicking at the product name link in front of uploaded to will open the product page in editor view. And from below, view attachment page link will open the image in the browser in this case. Or depending on your theme, for you it may open an attachment page containing this image. Now, if an image is not attached anywhere, it is an orphaned asset and should be removed from WordPress because it is using extra space. For example, if you have uploaded an image that is not attached to any page on the site, click on the image from media library. There will be no text such as uploaded to. I uploaded this image recently and did not use it in any page. This image is not attached anywhere and is extra in our WordPress site. Attachment details is also confirming and verifying that this is not attached anywhere. So this is how we verify if an image is being used in WordPress site or not. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.